Welcome, guys, to another session of our training. So we've learned how to import a demo for our store. Now let's take it further. Let's learn how to add product, edit product, delete products, work with product categories, and so on. In the last video, I was talking about this place where we are saying visit site, you can see my mouse, and visit store. Okay, normally it's always visit site. But now it's showing visit store because now we have WooCommerce installed. Now we need to do some settings here so that you see the site as one and not show visit site and visit store again. So to do that, all we have to do is I'll go to this, I'll click on visit sites, I'll hold control, or if you're using Mac, click on hold command and click on visit site. So wait for the site to load. Okay, we have this is what we have. So what I will do is I will come to customize. So under customize, we're in the customize page now. I'll go to home page settings. So the home page settings. Let's see. Sometimes you might not see direct. So for it's an option. The thing is, the templates always determine where we see some of those options. I'm not seeing home page settings here now, and most templates should have it under the customize here. So let's see. Shopping cart templates, top header info, shopping cart templates. Okay, if we don't see it here, there's another place where we can adjust that. Check here again. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see starting from page. Okay, very good. This is it. So it's under WordPress settings. Go to static front page. Then this home page. Normally, if it is blog, it will leave it on your latest post. But now that it's not a blog and it's an e-commerce, it should be on static page. So this is correct. So in case yours is not on static page or you are doing another project and it's not on static page, just click on static page. Then select home page and tell it to check shop. So let's see shop. Let's see. We are seeing two files of shop here. Let's see which one it is among the two that has all the products, because shop is where all the products will display and show up. Okay, this one is empty shop, so it should be the first one selected. So let's click on this one. So we have this, then I'll click on publish. Very good. So if I refresh this, our dashboard here. So if you see now, I come to my store. See, we are seeing only visit sites because now we've told it that it is just a store, so it's not a combination of multiple pages at once. The home page and shop page. Shop page now has made the home page. So now it's just showing site. I click on visit site, I'll be able to come to this place and see this. That's one. Secondly, if you look at this place, it's showing coming soon. I want to show you this. It was a new update added by WooCommerce. So it's put your store in maintenance mode, coming soon mode, until you now change it to the live, so that they can view it live. And what difference does that make? If this you are building this online, your WordPress online like this, other users won't be able to see your store apart from you when you are logged in. So for example, if I come here and I click on incognito window and I paste the link here, see, pardon our dust, we are working on something amazing. Check back soon. It's on maintenance mode, it's not showing the store, so we need to correct that. So what we'll do is we'll go to our dashboard, we'll go to WooCommerce, let's go to settings. So look for site visibility. Site visibility is on coming soon, change it to live and click on save changes. Now it has change from coming soon to live. If I refresh it, I'll say live. And if I go and check the incognito, now I paste there, so other users will be able to see the store. Now you see the store is showing now. It's not saying that it's in come back soon or something like that. So it means that is working. Yeah, this. Very good. Now, when it comes to store, we work with product categories. When we're working with blog, we are working with post and post categories. So how do we access our product categories? I will go to product here. So when we're working with blog, we came to this place, posts, all posts, add post categories. But now it is this WooCommerce that gives us this feature. So this WooCommerce here, products, look for product categories. So let's see the categories that we have there already. Very good. So we have first this categories: band 7, band 8, furniture, and so I will delete some of them. I don't think we need them. I will click on band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7, band 8. So let's leave furniture for now. But okay, I'll click on bulk actions, click on delete, then apply. Okay, so we've deleted that already, and we have reduced amount of categories. You can add our own category. So let's say you are we want to add, so you come to this place name, so I can say male wears. Now we are not being specific. Press enter, or you can just come down and click on add new category on the niche that our store is about, because a store now cannot be about electronics. A store can be about just wears and so on like that. But now let's assume that our store is a general store. So I have male wears, I can come here and say female wears. And click on add. Then we have we can say okay, phones. Add new category, so you can continue to add them and add them like that. If you want to edit, you can just go to anyone, you can just click on edit, and you'll be able to edit and change the name to whatever you want to change it to. So I'll go back to update, and I didn't set the slug for those categories I created. Those slug just work with the kind of naming that goes with the link of the products that are linked to that categories. So you can leave it empty. So we just assume the same name as the slug there. Okay, that's for the categories. Then what about adding products? So let's go to all products. Let's see products we have already. So see the list of products that they're just like the way we're checking that of the posts when we're working on the blog. That product here. So I'll stop this video here, then I'll continue on that video so it doesn't get too long. Thanks very much, and see you in the next video.